Hey guys, welcome back. Today, we're gonna be doing something a little bit different. As you can tell by my outfit, I'm here to prove that some people say what you wear limits you. And I just wanna show you guys that that's not the truth, clearly. So come work out with me in heels and a cocktail outfit. Let's go. Okay, so for the first theme, I'm wearing a cocktail dress and heels. Then we're also gonna be doing a bikini and some winter wear to show you guys that you can do anything. Like how I'm about to do the Stairmaster in 6-inch heels, just to prove my point. All right, guys, so first up is gonna be the Stairmaster. Now, I do have 6-inch heels on, but you know what? I wanna show you guys that you can do it too, so let's go. Oh, that was super easy. I mean, it's called being a woman. A man could never, honestly. All right, so the next move that I'm gonna do is the resistance band steps. As you can tell, let's do this. That was too easy. Even in 6-inch heels, women can do anything. All right, guys, so this is gonna be the last workout before I change outfits. And I wanna show everybody that we can run in heels. We can run away from men, so let's do this. In any outfit possible, no limitations, let's go. I told you guys, women can do anything. It's just the truth. Literally running in 6-inch heels. Can a man do this? This is really good training right here. It really gets your calves going. Go, let's go faster. It's just too easy. Let's go. Oh, all right, guys. That was a workout. Let's go change outfits. All right, guys, so this is my second outfit, the winter wear outfit. And I just walked out of the sauna because I want to show you guys anything is possible. But I was pretty hot in there, but it's okay. Let's go hit this workout. Woo! All right, guys, so for my first workout, for my winter wear outfit, we're going to be doing a low row. Let's get into it. Oh yeah. You know, these shoes are giving me a little bit of a platform boost. All right, so now we're going to be doing a shoulder press. I'm feeling really nice and warm and my muscles are ready. Let's go. Ooh. All right, that was amazing. Now, on to the last workout. Let's go. All right, now on to the last exercise. Let me show you how to run in these big snow boots and this big winter coat. I'm gonna be breaking double the sweat. Let's do this. Oh yeah, I'm definitely feeling the sweat. Running in snow isn't very common, but if you're getting chased by a bear, you might want to try this exercise out. It'll save your life. Let's up it up. Feeling very hot, but there are no limitations with any outfit, even with very heavy boots. This feels amazing. It's like a weighted vest. Yeah. All that running made my shoelaces untie, but we just worked out hard. I am hot. Very hot right now, but I still did it. All right, now let's go to the next outfit, which is gonna have a lot less layers than this one. Let's go. Oh, sorry. I just wanted to look at myself in the mirror real quick. Just wanted to check in and see how the guns are going. I think it's good. Let's go work out. Okay, guys, so this is my last outfit, also my favorite outfit, the bikini. And we're gonna be starting with seated leg curls. So let's get into it. Let's get a pump. Let's go. So I'm feeling really good in this bikini right now because I have a lot of range of motion. Hitting hard. I just feel a little interesting because my feet are out, but it's making me like work harder, I feel like, because I'm not constricted. I'm really liking this outfit for working out. I've never worked out in a bikini. All right, so since we're sticking with legs, let's do the leg extension so I can show you guys the full range of motion that I have in the bikini. Feeling very free and loose flowing. Let's do it. All right, guys, we got one more exercise left. Let's go do it. All right, now for our last and final workout, let's do some rolling deadlifts with the Smith machine. These are my favorite. Your glutes are on fire. Since I'm wearing a bikini, it will show. Let's go. I'm really feeling that range of motion here. My glutes are popping. I know you can see it. All right, guys, that is our last and final outfit. Now let's go recoup in the lounge and see what outfit is the best. Follow me. All right, guys, so in first place is gonna be the one that I'm currently wearing, the bikini. It was super easy to work out with this one. Obviously, it's not a lot of clothing, so I was able to have full range of motion, and I had nothing on my feet, which made it very easy and accessible to do any type of different workout. Now, the second one that was the most easiest is definitely the cocktail one. Running in heels is not the problem. The dress itself is obviously a little bit tighter, so it makes some of the movements a little bit more difficult to execute, but nothing that a woman can handle. And the third and final one was the winter wear. That one was a little bit difficult. It was very thick boots to run in, and I felt very stiff in it, and the coat just made everything really hot, and I couldn't really extend my arms that much. So yay, the bikini won. All right, well, that concludes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Bye.